Humans have shown extreme inventiveness in devising clothing. Clothes are made from wide range of materials that has made us feel comfortable in every occasion. Cloths that are made from synthetic fibers has now become more popular as they are consumer friendly, more durable and looks luxurious. In this session, let us learn about synthetic fibers from chapter 3, synthetic fibers and plastics. In our previous classes, we have learnt about natural fibers, cotton and jute that are obtained from plant and wool and silk that are obtained from animals. As these fabrics obtained from natural sources are expensive, scientists found an alternative method to make fabric that are cheap, affordable and durable. So, they decided to synthesize artificial fiber using chemicals in the laboratory. The method of making artificial or synthetic fibers was found by the scientists when they observed the natural fiber cotton under a microscope. They found that cotton was made up of a long fiber called as cellulose. This cellulose was in turn made up of smaller units called as glucose. In the same way, smaller chemical units were joined together to make a long synthetic fiber. Do you know from where these chemical units are obtained? They are obtained from petroleum and they are called as petrochemicals. The raw materials which are of petroleum origin used for making synthetic fibers and plastics are called as petrochemicals. These chemicals are mainly composed of hydrogen and carbon and the smaller units of these chemicals are referred as monomers. These small monomers are joined together to make a long chain called as polymer. The word polymer comes from two Greek words. Poly means many and mer means part or unit. So, a polymer is made up of many repeating units. Similar to the long chain made by joining the paper clips or beads, synthetic fibers are made by joining small units called as monomers. This process of joining the monomers to make a long polymer is called as polymerization. Like the natural polymer cellulose that forms cotton, artificial polymer was synthesized using smaller chemical units, monomer. The four types of synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. First synthetic fiber is rayon. We know that silk fiber obtained from silkworm was discovered in China and they did not reveal the secret for a long time how they made it. So silk fabric was costly. The beautiful texture attracted everyone, so scientists thought to make fiber artificially that resembles the silk. By the end of 19th century, rayon was made from natural source wood pulp. The wood pulp was treated with chemicals like caustic soda and sulfuric acid and fibers were separated. It was also prepared by treating cotton with cupra ammonium solution and sulfuric acid. Rayon was obtained from natural source, so it is not considered as a fully made synthetic fiber. It is also called as semi-synthetic fiber or regenerated cellulose fiber. This rayon was cheaper than silk and can be woven like silk fiber, so it is called as artificial silk. This rayon can also be dyed with variety of colors and they are mixed with the cotton and used for making bed sheets or mixed with the wool and it's used for making carpets. The next synthetic fiber is nylon. We all use umbrellas, stockings, toothbrush in our day-to-day lives. They are made up of strong, lightweight and elastic fiber called as nylon. Nylon is the first fully made synthetic fiber from coal, air and water. The monomer of nylon is amide and this amide forms a long polymer called as polyamide. It was synthesized in the year 1931 by the American DuPont and its name was derived from New York, NY and London, LON. Nylon was first used to make stockings and it was said that they were sold within hours. As it was tougher than steel, during Second World War, it was used for making parachute fabrics and the tents. So it was said that women would stand in a long queue to buy nylon stockings as they were in a high demand. Nylon was strong, light in weight and elastic. It was used for making climbing ropes and parachute fabrics and also for car seat belts, sleeping bags, curtains, fishing nets, tents and toothbrushes. Cloths made of nylon are lustrous, easy to wash and they do not absorb water and dry quickly. Because of all these properties, nylon was highly preferred for making these materials. The third synthetic fiber is polyester. They are made from monomer called as ester. Ester is a fruit-smelling compound formed by combining acid with alcohol. Shirts or saris made from this polyester do not wrinkle easily and they remain crisp and they are easy to wash. Polyester are of two types. One is terylene and dacron, another is PET. Pteroline is made up of two monomers, ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. It is used for making dress materials, sails for boats and also conveyor belts. Polyethylene terephthalate is nothing but PET. It is a familiar form of polyester used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires and many other useful products. Have you ever heard about polycot, terrycot or terrywool cloths? They are also called as blended fibers. These fibers are mixed to get best quality fabrics. Polycot is a mixture of polyester and cotton, terrycot is a mixture of terylene and cotton, and terrywool is a mixture of terylene and wool. The next synthetic fiber that resembles wool is acrylic. The monomer of acrylic is polyacrylonitrile. As the wool obtained from natural sources are quite expensive, the cloths made of acrylic are highly preferred and also they are available in different variety of colors. Acrylic fibers are used for making sweaters, shawls, blankets and gloves. These synthetic fibers possess unique characteristics which make them popular dress materials. They dry quickly, they are durable, less expensive, readily available, easy to maintain, has attractive colors and they are wrinkle resistant. The disadvantage of synthetic fiber is if the cloths catch fire, they melt and stick to the body and they cause severe burns and they take several years to decompose. In this session, we have learnt about different types of synthetic fibers.